Hello viewers and welcome to a very sunny Lille. It's a few days out from the grand depart of this year's Tour de France. I come to check out some of the team bikes and the setups for the race around France. And let's start with the team here. The defending Tour champion Tadej Pogačar. We'll have a look at his Colnago Y1 RS and the V5 RS and some brand new MV SES 4.5 Pro wheels. So let's dive in and have a closer look. The team has two Colnago race bikes available this year, both brand new, the lightweight V5 RS and the Radical Aero Y1 RS. Which one each rider chooses depends on personal preference and demands of each stage. With the opening stage being mostly flat, Tadej and most of the team were opting for the Y1 RS. The bike was launched back in December and has been put on a diet since then, helped by brand new 14-gram elite bottle cages, bringing the overall weight down to just 7.2 kilograms. It's a striking bike full of trick details, carbon fibre chainrings, 165mm crank arms and even an aero cover for a race transponder on the fork, all about the small details. For tyres, the team is using a mix of the current Continental GP 5000 TT on the V5 RS and a brand new limited edition model called the Archetype. Developed with a team, the Archetype saves 35 grams compared to the current GP 5000 STR and is used on a Y1 RS. So, they're running 30mm wide tyres on the Y1 RS for flat stages, actually measure 32 on the MB rims, and switching to 28mm on the V5 RS for the climbing days. Here's a closer look at Tadej's brand new V5 RS, finished in his world champion livery. Very snazzy. Here's a closer look at Tadej's brand new V5 RS, finished in his world champion livery. Very snazzy indeed. The bike is sporting the brand new MV SES 4.5 Pro wheels, lighter than before, dropping from 1450 grams to just 1295 grams thanks to lightweight hubs, lighter rims and looking fantastic with silver hubs and silver spokes, while still delivering deep section aero performance. MV also supplies a one-piece aero handbar too, and to save even more weight, there's no paint, just a raw carbon finish. All team bikes are using Shimano Durace Di2 group sets with carbon fibre chain rings, and for a saddle, it's a 3D printed Physique Argo custom saddle set up in a very aggressive nose down position. To find out more about how the team and Tadej choose between the Aero Y1 RS and the lightweight V5 RS, let's hear from Tadej from Colnago. So it's been 6 months since the bike was launched back in Benidorm, and we're here at Tour de France. How has the bike been received with the team since it was launched?
Yeah, I think the riders are very happy with this new bike. As you can see, all riders has the options to ride the Y1 RS. They have the options to ride these and the V5 RS. And all the riders will use both bikes during the Tour de France, depending on which stage and what they are supposed to do on that stage. Because we know that some riders will still use their bike on climbing stages as well, because if maybe they have to pull during the stages or for preferences, whatever.
Has the Y1 changed much since it was launched? Have you made any refinements to it?
Yeah, as we anticipated during the launch, that was like our pre-production bike. So a lot of changes were already in the development at that stage. The most noticeable one is the handlebar. We changed a bit the V shape, then we integrated the screws into the design of the handlebar. There are some neat details with some small covers on that. A lot more refinement were done on the preload system and small details on the bike. So yeah, the bike changed a bit.
For Tadej in this race, do you anticipate him using the aero bike more or less than the V5? Does he have a plan for the race in terms of which bike?
If I have to bet, it will be probably like 60% the Y1 and 40% the V5. It will be. He's a rider that is keep changing. If you look at his like Instagram profile, he's always switching during the training rides. So yeah, you can use both. Yeah.
And there's lots of bikes here. How many bikes does Tadej himself have available to race?
Actually, he has 11 bikes.
11?
for the road one.
Okay.
Plus, I think 4 time trials bike, 4 or 5, something like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Lot of bikes.
Bikes. Cool. Thank you for your time.
And finally, with 2 time trial stages in the race this year, here's a look at Tadej's Colnago time trial bike with some very trick details. And it looks incredible, fast even when it's standing still leant against a wall. This is a bike that leaves no stone unturned in the pursuit of maximum aerodynamics. It's fitted with MV's brand new wheelset, a disc on the rear and a 100mm deep front wheel. MV has also developed a brand new time trial handlebar just for the team, customised for each rider. One detail I love are the custom 3D printed grips with Shimano DI2 satellite shifters built in. That means Tadej can change gear with barely any finger movement. There's even grip tape added for extra security. And check out that carbon chainring, a massive 62 tooth. It looks absolutely wild.
Just put the various ones.
The lightest one you have was for the car.
Wheel set.
Yeah. Hopefully what? This isn't the third one, no? This is the medium. This is the medium. Yeah.
You have a 30 type.
Yeah.
The lightest.
Can you put the lightest one you have?
You have the root lightest.
Yeah.
How you put it on now here? Here on this one.
Check.
Like this one, yeah.
Follow.